Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to deploy EC2 instance that we will be using in the later session. So to deploy the EC2 instance, log into the AWS console and in the search, you can search with the EC2 instance. Okay, so here we will be using the launch instance option to deploy the instance. As you can see, currently we do not have any instance running here. So go ahead and click on Launch Instance. And here under the name, you can give the name of the instance. So I'm going to give Deploy VM1. Okay, under the application and OS images, I'm going to select Ubuntu. And under the Amazon machine image, here I'll be using the Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS version, which is available for free tier eligible also. And here it's going to be the 64-bit architecture, and this is the username Ubuntu. And here the instance type, I'll be using the T3.micro, which is 2 vCPU and 1 GB of memory. And this is also eligible for the free tier. And I'm going to create the key pair. So enter the key pair name, AWS EC2 Instance key pair. Okay, and click on create key pair. Okay, it will ask for the location, so just go ahead and save it. And leave the other options, the network settings default. So it will create the security group and it will allow the SSH traffic from anywhere. And then here it will configure the storage. If you want, you can increase the storage here. Okay, and then click on launch instance. So here you can specify the number of instance required, and then you can click on launch instance. You can also verify the details here. It will be using the Amazon machine image. This is Ubuntu 24.04 and the instance type would be T3.micro, and it will create the new security group, and it will create the storage volume with a 20 GB. So let's go ahead and click on launch instance. Please wait while we launch your instance. Okay, successfully initiated launch of instance. You can click on here to see the EC2 image. Okay, so here we can see the instance details, the instance ID, host name, and auto assigned IP address. And you can see the IPv4 address. This is the public address. And the instance state is running. And this is the private IP DNS name. And this is the size of the VM. And here is the VPC and subnet ID details. Okay, under security, you can see the security group as well. Okay, so next to log into this VM that we have deployed, we can use the terminal to SSH into the Ubuntu server and navigate to the location where you have that key pair downloaded. So I have downloaded it to my downloads folder. So you can pass this parameter, and then this is the username, IP address. So using this, we can SSH into the the VM that we have deployed. Okay, so here you can refresh, and the deploy VM1 is currently running successfully. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.